So the reason I have Sarah and Alex here is because I'm the old guy. I mean, I don't know how to use my cell phone even. That's how bad I am. You know?
That's not entirely true.
But the subject is important because it's about fake means. Mm-hmm. And the reason I have them here, if I told you the problem we have, I'd be faking it because I don't really understand the problem. Mm-hmm. So Sarah and Alex will explain the problem because there's a lot of fake Roberts out there. And I talk about what I know, and I don't talk about what I don't know, mm-hmm. right?
Yeah.
So what's happening with social media?
We've noticed recently, and we've received feedback from our community, that there are people impersonating you, stealing your message, your pictures, and impersonating you.
Jesus.
In return, they're asking consumers to send them money, donate to a cause, but really they're ripping people off in the name of Robert. Mm-hmm. And we wanted to get the message out to our community that that is not Robert. He will never ask for a donation. He will never solicit you to send him cash.
Yeah.
What else is happening on social media?
And so basically we have these people that are trying to imitate Robert's persona, and we want you guys to only follow the verified accounts. We're going to connect this video to the links that lead to only Robert's real accounts, not any fake accounts. And just beware, because there's only so much we can do on our end to protect you guys, but then the rest gets into the logistics of Facebook, Instagram. So although we do notice Facebook of these fake accounts, it takes time. The process takes time. So we thank you guys for your patience, but we also want you guys to do your due diligence and only follow the verified accounts.
Yeah, I talked to this one young woman and she met the fake Robert Kiyosaki online, who was from Nigeria. Mm-hmm. And whoever that guy was promised her that he would show up to do a class. Mm-hmm. And I don't live in Nigeria.
Yeah.
Anyway, so any final words for these people?
So just be cautious, do your due diligence.
How could they tell if it's a fake me or not me?
In the next to Robert's profile picture in each of his accounts, there'll be a blue check mark. So if the account that you're following does not have that, it is not the real Robert Kiyosaki. They can use any variation of names. We've tried to shut down as many accounts as we can, but as Alex was explaining, it takes time.
Yeah.
So just be aware as you're following Robert and his messages and commenting on his posts. Make sure you're actually following the real Kiyosaki.